Hi, today I'm going to do one tip. I've had a few of you tell me that you're setting up solar fountains and they're going too fast and things are splashing, especially when you're setting up smaller type fountains. You don't want them to bypass and go past your fountain. Otherwise, your container will empty with water. Well, you know how I made this soda pop fountain. Very simple, a trash can, a plate, and a bottle. You saw it, go back and watch the video exactly how I put that together. The thing is, a lot of times when the solar panels are set out in the sun, the water coming up the tube will bypass the tray. And if it does, even if it splashes just a little bit, within hours it can totally empty. And if you're around, you can just fill it up. But a lot of times your hummingbirds don't want it so powerful. They want it on the slower side, like what you see here. And that one was going a little too powerful. So I'll show you here what you can do. It's very simple. You go outside with your, and do it outside with your soldering iron, and make some holes in the tubing that's going down the center of the bottle. If this is what you've got set up, a bottle. Now start with one and test it. If that's not enough, go with the second one and test it again. Do it a couple times until you have the flow that you like, and make sure that your solar panel is out in the blazing sun, because if you're doing it on a shady day, you could end up making too many holes, which means you may have to change your pipe out. But the other thing you could do is you could just fill the hole up with a glue gun. Just put some hot glue in there and start over. But that is a good way to slow it down. So this way, the water that's going up will also have a little bit, make the hole small, going out on the side. It doesn't matter where you put the hole, if it's under the water or above. That won't matter, because the force of the water going up will not only go up the top, but like I said, a small amount going somewhere through the tube sideways. Now this particular one, I put a few holes in. It will depend on your tubing. It will depend on your amount of sunlight you're getting. A lot of things can cause the water to be really strong. Even the pump itself could be a strong one. As soon as you get what you like, that's it. Put it all back together the way it's supposed to be, and then you'll have a nice, gentle flow. If you're using a solar kit where you're only using the stem itself, I've showed you in the past how you can make the holes bigger if you're using a sprayer, or you could also do the same thing, that little trick on making a hole on the side where the water's coming through. Don't touch the pump. It's the tubes. You want to make an extra hole so it leaks. Think of a leaky pipe. You got a leaky pipe, you turn on your faucet, you go, uh-oh, I don't have full pressure, because it's spraying out of a little hole somewhere else. Well, that's what you're going to do with your solar fountain. You're just going to make a hole on the side, and make sure wherever you do the hole that it's always going to be underneath your tray, underneath somewhere, so it's going back into your reservoir, not on the top where it's going to spray out. That's all you need to know. Anywhere, see where it's spraying there? Can you see that right there? That, what you're looking at, is that hole I made. So now it's hitting the side of the bottle and going back into the reservoir of the bottle. And this way I have a nice gentle flow for the hummingbirds come take a bath. I hope I gave you some information on how to slow down a solar fountain. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.